Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I am so excited you're with me today. I think you're really going to enjoy this unboxing today. If you're new here, we are full-time resellers on eBay and Mercari, and just got some other new updates going on and everything, which I will tell you about later. But in the meantime, this is a Cozy Thread Helpsy box. You all know that I'm very, very particular about the boxes that I pick up from there. And I'm taking a chance on one, but I'm hoping it will pay off. This box cost me $360. There's 40 pieces in here. So it's about $9 a piece, but they're through the Free People movement. So I'm anxious to see if it was worth it. I got this box during the sale that they were having. It was like 25% off. So I saved a nice little chunk of change getting it on sale. Otherwise it would have been like around $12 a piece. So you guys, y'all know I'm definitely looking to keep adding more new tags for the holidays. But to be honest with you, even after the holidays, I would like to definitely be doing a lot more new tags. Especially, you know, for men and women. I have to be honest, I'm having a hard time finding men's new tags. So we will keep going with men's as we can in whatever way we can find good quality. The women's, I am noticing that I'm definitely having to pay a little bit more for the new tags, but as long as the brands are good and we can definitely make our money back, I'm okay with doing that as long as in my research it shows comps accommodate for that. So, you guys, again, I've been anxiously waiting for this box and I'm excited to see what we get. And I'm hoping that they're not just like a bunch of tank tops and I'm going to be lucky to sell them for like 20 bucks. So let's see what we got. Okay, first off is a ribbed Brammy Cherry Extra Small. It looks like I have a few of these. Intimately Free People, MSRP on this is $28. So again, something like this, I'll probably just barely make my money back, which is one of my concerns. I'm hoping that there's more than just that in here. There's another one of them. I have 5 of these. So that's so far, out of 40 pieces, that's 5 pieces that I'm probably going to either just make my money back or make a little bit more on. So I am really hoping that there's more to this. Okay, here's another one. Retails $20. Okay, this may have not been a good box. We shall see. I think their price may have still been a little bit high. Alaya tank, this is white. Let me take this out and show you because it's kind of hard to see. Again, this is Free People. So it's just a basic tank top. So I'm hoping. And I've got a few of these. Okay. These are all the same, just different sizing. I was really kind of hoping, it did say intimates, but it did also say other pieces. So I'm hoping I didn't just get a bunch of tank tops in here. And as I'm looking, let's see what this says. Okay, MSRP 58, that's a little bit better. There's a lot of tank tops and Grammys in here. I'm thrilled to have Free People, but my concern was, again, even at $9, being able to make their money back. So this is a little bit more substantial of a piece. Okay, this is a bodysuit. That is good. Because, yeah, gonna need it. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. White. And I actually have, is this color white? Yeah, it says white. So there is that piece. Sorry, I'm just kind of a little bit disappointed with this. because there are so many tank tops in here that are showing retail. Okay, this one's $30. That's not as bad. If I can get at least above 25, I know for sure that I can hopefully at least double my money. And I'm hoping that because they are free people, that people won't, you know, they'll want to actually pay a decent price for them. Okay, so this one was retailed at $30. So there's that. Let's see what else we have in here. Maybe I'm just speaking, and the concern, it's not as much of a concern. Let me see here. This one, okay, this one is 20. This is another one of those rigged tanks. Okay, tell me, y'all, in the comments down below. So many people bought this box. As soon as it went on sale, I noticed the next day, well, actually, they still have them for sale. But I'm kind of wondering, do you think I paid too much, $9 for this? Or is $9 even at this retail bracket, is that a good price for these items? Okay, this one is $38. That actually makes me feel a little bit better, again, because at least I'm hoping to at least double my money. Okay, this one retails at $38. This is a nice little extra small. The color is sand. This is intimately. So there's that piece. And I think this one is the same thing. Yep, that one's the same thing. And I got a few of those, quite a few. Wow. Okay, so that could hopefully be good. And then this one, okay, so I think this was the other one that I already opened. Yep, it is. There's a lot of duplicates in here. Okay, I was really kind of hoping, I knew it said intimately, maybe I remember reading it wrong. Yeah, this one's a medium large. It's the same one as before. So there's that piece. I am excited to get these listed. I do hope, because it's free people, like I said, this one's the same thing. Square one seamless cami, nude. That they will do very well. Okay, this is a little bit different. This one retails at $20. So hopefully I can sell this one for at least $15. I mean, it is new with tags. And get my money back on these smaller pieces. Okay. Okay, and then I have I have more of these bodysuits, which is really great. That's really, really great. And then this one's a duplicate. These are a duplicate. Okay, and there's the receipt. Now let me show you. I have a bunch of these. I'm hoping that these retail well. Retail for $38. I've got a bunch of these. Let me show you these. I mean, literally, I've probably got maybe 10 of these in here. Okay, so I've got, oh, these are shorts. Okay, so these retail at $38. This is fresh cut, free people, and these are shorts. So, and I have a bunch of these in different sizes. Okay, so I am definitely going to get these listed like sooner than later. And hope that these do super great. When I remember looking at these and seeing them on the website, I honestly I haven't really sold a lot of free people. I do have a couple pieces in my current stores, but I'm still kind of getting used to free people. And I thought maybe even at $12, to be honest with you, I personally hope, I think it's going to take a while to sell these. I do, because of the fact that they're like the intimate pieces. If they were other bigger pieces, I think $12 for intimates, even $9 for intimates. What do you think? Is that a bit high still? to resell. So they may have been more like maybe around $6. Or is $9 even for these a good price? Y'all comment down below and tell me. And I'm curious also for the more substantial pieces, like if they're dresses or tops or things like that, what do y'all typically pay for NWT tags, Free People, or even used in the thrift store? What are your typical COGA costs for Free People in the thrift store for the more substantial pieces like dresses and tops and things? I'm really curious to see what it's like for everybody else, and if you guys think that this COG for these pieces is good, and do you think I'll make my money back? Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed yet, we will be doing a 90-day update on this and any other unboxings that we're doing. I am going to get these listed sooner than later. I'm probably going to be working on these as well as some of the jewelry pieces I have. I do have some pre-owned back here, but right now I'm really working on getting the NWT tags up and going, because the holidays literally are just around the corner and I want to have those up and ready to go. I have a couple more boxes coming in also, so you guys stay tuned for those unboxings. I still have some other unboxings waiting and backed up for me. So there's always great content here, updates, changes, sales, all different kinds of things. So feel free to subscribe so you know when the updates are going on, unboxings are going on, and any other great things that we have going on. Do subscribe so you know when those videos come up. And guys, we will see you in the next one.